Hi, Cameron here from Capital Machinery with the BIANCO 420M-60G Mitre cutting bandsaw. This is a well-made, heavy-duty bandsaw with a large cutting capacity, ideal for fabrication shops and general manufacturing. The machine boasts both a large cutting capacity and a user-friendly ergonomic design. These machines are manufactured in Italy and have proven to be both robust and extremely reliable. Suitable for both straight cutting and mitre cutting up to 60 degrees. This machine is well engineered and has been crafted to cut accurately for many years. Let's go through some of the reasons why and some features of the machine. In order to maintain consistent blade alignment, the machine has been manufactured with a heavy-duty cast alloy saw frame, carbide blade guides, and a robust saw hinge with tapered roller bearings. The vise is fitted with a quick-release handle and hardened vise jaw to maintain uniform clamping. The integrated gearbox has been especially engineered to last a lifetime of the machine, reducing the chance of future maintenance costs. The 2-speed motor allows for both solid and structural steel cutting. An integrated hydraulic cutting feed system for consistent cutting control. A recirculating coolant system with an easy-to-access swarf tray. Some of the safety features include a dead man trigger, a blade breakage sensor, and an emergency stop button. If you're after a bandsaw that will cut accurately for many years to come, you should consider a BIANCO bandsaw. You can buy online or you can contact us for more information.